friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw sky from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to move over on the left hand side, lining it up at the exact same height, and we're going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a slight curved line, bringing that up on the right. Now moving underneath for the eye, we're going to draw in a half circle, leaving a gap on both sides. For the mouth underneath, coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. We'll do the same thing from the point in the middle, curving this out towards the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. Now from here, for the eyebrows on the top right, we're going to curve this line down, and then we'll move over on the left, replicating that. We're going to draw in the hair strand in the center now. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and then out towards the right. And then from that point on the top, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in on the left. Now we're going to draw in a circle to close off the head. So starting on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the left hand side. And then we'll start back on the right hand side, curving this line around, ending that at roughly the same height. Continuing the circle underneath now on the left, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, lining that up at the same height, and then we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then blending that in on the bottom. For the ears now, on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around and then down. And then we'll move over on the left hand side, leaving an even gap, and we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back in on the side. Now from here in the middle, we're just going to replicate that pattern, curving this line around and then down, replicating that on both sides. Now for the body, on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that gets wider as we come out towards the bottom of our page. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right, and we're just going to end that so it's at the same height. And then now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw sky from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.